I'm here to tell you about Indian objectives of Indian history. In this lecture, we have started about modern history. In the previous lecture, we have completed medieval history. In the modern history, there is a chapter. In that chapter, today is the chapter 1. In that chapter, the name is Evidence of European Expansion and Consolidation of British in India. It has 74 questions with a detailed explanation. All about this book has completed 1800 plus MCQs question with their previous explanation that help in all your exams like MPSC, UPSC and other state examinations as well. Now starting with the question first. When the East India Company was found the Mughal Empire in India, your option is Jahangir, Humayun, Aurangzeb and Akbar. The correct answer with a detailed explanation. The East India Company was incorporated by the Royal Charter on December 31, 1600. It was English company found from the explosion of trade from East and West, East, South and East Asia and India during the region of Mughal Empire Akbar in 5056 and 065. All this happened in Akbar. In the East India Company was formed by the Mughal. Now let's talk about question second. Who among the following British first arrived in the court of Jahangir? Your option is William Hawkins, Sir Thomas Roy, third Sir Edward Terry and the fourth Ted Burner. The correct answer is William Hawkins. Hawkins comes to India on the ship named Hector as a commander and Jahangir gave his name as Man Sahab of 1400 Empire. Jahangir also known as English Khan also. Now let's talk about question third. Maize was brought in India by Dutch, Danish, British and Portuguese. The correct answer is Portuguese. Tobacco, potato, red chili, maize, printing press was introduced by Portuguese in India. Almeida was the first governor of Portuguese in India who adopted the blue water policy to establish Portuguese submarine in the Indian Ocean. Now let's talk about question 4. The president city of British in India was Kolkata, Bombay, Madras and Delhi. The correct answer is Calcutta. Calcutta was established by the Job Karnor by Magres Sutani and Karnataka Govindpura, which remained the capital till 1991. All this explanation and all the question what I have told you that mentioned in the book with a detailed explanation. Then how to purchase this book? This book you can directly contact to Indar Takshela, available on Amazon. You can directly contact to WhatsApp, Telegram and our YouTube channel. We started our YouTube series. You can answer your question and question the answer in the description box below. All the best.